MKBeauties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by again. If you are not new here, I appreciate you. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by and clicking on my face. I am Melanie, the creator and owner of Majestic Beauty Artistry. And today's video is all about cleaning your makeup brushes. If you're like me, I dread cleaning makeup brushes. However, it is important to clean your makeup brushes on a daily basis to get rid of all of the makeup that's built up in your brushes, get rid of any bacteria, anything that may be in your brushes. So it is important to clean your brushes on a daily basis. However, today I am using Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleanser. So this right here is a staple for me. I like to use this as a quick makeup brush cleanser just to clean my brushes instantly, quick drying time. That way I don't have to take all of my brushes to the bathroom or to the sink in the kitchen, have my soap, have my glove, and clean my brushes. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, I hope you guys can see well. These are my makeup brushes that I'm going to be cleaning tonight. Quite a few makeup brushes here that I just need to clean. These were like my quick daily, everyday, whenever I put on makeup, quick brushes that I would just grab and go. So what I'm going to do is I have this tray table that I use in my room, and I also have like my towel that I use just on top of the tray to protect the tray. I have some paper towels here that I'm going to use as well, just to kind of spread out and use to clean my makeup brushes with. So with Cinema Secrets, it is 99.99% bacteria free. It is quick drying. It's rinse free. I absolutely love this product, you guys. This product is definitely one that you can purchase at Sephora and as well as Amazon. So I purchased mine with, I think it was the $20 kit, the starter kit, and it came with this tin little container that you would pour the solution in, just like this. So you pour some solution in, just enough to clean your brushes. I don't know if you guys can really see that well, but I just have, a nice little amount in here. So I'm going to top this back up and just sit it to the side for now. I'm going to smooth the top and just place it over here to the side. I'm also going to take my brushes and just kind of put them out on the table. And with that, if I don't make a mess, I am going to put my brushes back in this little container here. This is a makeup bag. You can use it for multiple things. In my kit, I've used it to store my makeup brushes whenever I had it in my kit while I was traveling. So whenever I would arrive, I would just open this up, fold the plastic back, and just have it sitting on the counter. That way I have easy access to my brushes. I have quite a few of these, maybe 2 or 3 that I have, but I would have some for my clean brushes as well as dirty brushes. After I service a client, I would put all of my dirty brushes in here and zip it up. And that way when I made it back to my destination, I knew that it was time to clean all of the brushes that were in the dirty case. You can also use this as a trash bag if you are a makeup artist and you travel. If you just want to use this just to, store trash in here while you're working, you can do that. Fold it up, zip it, and throw it in your kit. These are found on Amazon. I will go ahead and link them in the description below. I'll also link the Cinema Secrets brush cleaner on Amazon. I'll link that in the description, as well as the one that you can find at Sephora. And it's very inexpensive. It's $20 or $30, depending on what size you get. So let me grab these 2 brushes that fell on the floor. And we are going to go ahead and get started. So I hope you guys can see this, but I'm just going to show you how I clean my brushes with the Cinema Secret Brush Cleanser. So here's one of my brushes here. And what I do is I just tap it, and I do not put the whole brush directly inside the solution. I do maybe like 2/3 of a way, and I just tap it in the solution. And here on my paper towel, I just run the brush back and forth in a circular motion just to get rid of the makeup, and voila. Do you guys see that? That was just one dip. This is now clean. It's back white. If you can see, the makeup has now transferred to the napkin. Just so you can see, all of the product is out. And this one is good to go. Again, this is quick drying. So if you are in a hurry and you need your makeup brushes like ASAP, you can definitely use Cinema Secret Makeup Brush Cleanser for quick cleaning, quick, fast drying. And that way you can have your brushes right there on spot. So this is done. This is dry and it's clean. And it has also cleaned any bacteria, all of the makeup, as you can see, has been removed. Here's another brush. Do you see? Dip it maybe 2/3 of the way. And can you see that makeup coming out on the paper towel? Do you see that? That's how good this stuff is. This is why I absolutely love Cinema Secrets. Now, this is not sponsored, but I just want you to see, as a makeup artist, as someone who does makeup on clients, sometimes you're moving around, you need those brushes right away. You don't have time to use, soap and water and go to the sink and clean. You can use something that is just as quick and effective right there on the spot to clean your brushes. And these are good to go. Like brand new, like brand new. And I'm sure you can see all of the makeup that has transferred to the napkin. Again, you just follow the process, dip and swirl. This cuts out so much time for me. I do not have to stand over the sink. I do not have to have on my glove. I do not have to get my hands wet. Just a quick, simple, easy step. So if you have, just a few brushes that you need to clean, or if you have like your daily staple makeup brush that you like to use on a daily basis that you need to keep clean, let's say like your brow pencil, whenever you are carving out your concealer, you can use Cinema Secrets. So this is pretty much it. You can do 2 at a time. You can do 1 at a time, however you choose to do this. But y'all, this is so simple. This is easy as 1, 2, 3. And then, of course, as your solution gets lower, you just pour more solution into the tin container, and dip some more. These are brushes that I use for eyeshadow, that I also use to highlight with. I'm just wiping the rim of the brush because I did not dip that. So I also like to make sure the rim of the brush is also makeup free. And we're good to go. We are good to go. MKBeauty. MKBeauty. y'all see that? I know this is going to be stained. This is a red. This is actually multiple red lipsticks that I used. And I let this brush sit for a few weeks. So this is definitely going to be stained. I'll probably have to clean this one multiple times before I even see a trace of white again for the bristle of this brush. But I just want to give it a nice cleanse. Can you kind of see that it's a little white? Okay, so here are my makeup brushes now that they are all cleaned. As you can see, they are nice and white. Some of them have the brown bristles, some have the black head bristles, but I just want to point out that this is in between cleaning of my brushes just for quick spot cleaning. I do a deep cleaning with a liquid solution, some water, just to really get them clean. But this is the after effect for spot cleaning. So if you are interested in, quick spot cleaning in between deep cleaning, I definitely recommend Cinema Secrets. I have them linked below. Again, this is another look at what the bottle looks like. This is the starter kit that comes with the tin can. So I thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that other stuff the YouTubers tell you to do. And remember, Psalms 139, you are fearfully and wonderfully made. Marvelous are his works. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.